Really good shot of Tower Life that we just passed. That's the best shot right there. Now we're about to go to floodgate number 4, and that green light on top is telling me that the gate's fully submerged underwater, and we got clearance to pass over it. Guys, turn your heads to the left-hand side, you'll notice back there's a 15-foot drop-off. 138 miles from here, our river will keep on going. I'll connect to the Guadalupe River, and 10 miles after that here in the Gulf of Mexico. Yeah. Now this is the deepest part of the whole river. Right here is 20 feet deep. Back in September 21st, 1921, we had a massive flood go through San Antonio and it killed over 50 people. $1 million worth of property damage has occurred. You guys look at the Market Street Bridge right in front of us. Let's imagine the water level 9 feet taller than that. So basically the city was underwater, right? So Army engineers, they had to come down here from 1921 to 1926. Figured to cut out this section of the Earth's crust, put a couple of floodgates, and none of our businesses will be ever threatened to go underwater again. Guess what, guys? It actually worked. After flood control and everything was completed, the Dory Plaza coming up to my right-hand side. It's a good job, San Antonio. We're going to give you a lovely gift. The lovely gift to San Antonio is that 611 feet sidewalk. Runs around the whole San Antonio Riverwalk today. And if they never gave us that sidewalk, the Riverwalk will never became what it is today as well. To the left, we got the main plaza, right? And that whole area was established in 1731. That's actually where the Battle of Alamo actually began back there. Now, San Fernando's Cathedral is back there as well. It has a pretty cool history as to, but they do a free light show at 9, 9:30, and 10 o'clock of the history of San Antonio. If you guys want to see a really cool show, I recommend you go and check it out. 7 days a week, everything's going on. Now 4 miles north of where the water actually begins, and a photographer comes out of a blue hole. We never found out how to beat that blue hole, but it supplies all the drinking water here in San Antonio, as well as keep our water was maintained on the river. Now we're going to go through gate number 3. There's some number 4 and 5 gates to control our water level here in San Antonio. Gate number 3 is a pocket-style door, and it has a 1,500-ton door above it. That door takes 15 minutes to lower and rise up. Right when we get through this door right here, guys, turn your attention to the right-hand side. You guys will see a fig tree all lit up. 1921, that fig tree got actually stuck in that wall. It's been growing out that wall ever since. Just pushed it right in there during the flood. To my left, we got Durian Suites. In 1999, they became Durian Suites, but actually opened up their doors in 1921 at San Antonio's Public Service Building. The water level got so bad that year, it got all the way up to the Shannon